Everybody welcome. Today I'm sharing one of the simplest and tastiest tomato egg recipes you can make in just a few minutes. Soft tomatoes, fluffy eggs, and melted cheddar cheese. You are going to love it. Heat a pan on medium flame and add 3 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 to 2 medium-sized tomatoes sliced into 4 to 6 pieces. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a little cumin powder on each tomato slice. Fry the tomatoes for about 2 minutes until they become soft. In a bowl, crack 3 eggs. Add a little salt, black pepper, and paprika. Add 80 to 100 grams of chopped green onions and mix well. Pour this egg mixture over the fried tomato slices in the pan. Cover the pan and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and place 4 slices of cheddar cheese on top. Cover again for 1 minute to melt the cheese. Turn off the flame. Your simple and delicious cheesy tomato egg recipe is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe.